In the shadow of the towering pyramids, where the Nile whispers tales of glory, a civilization thrived, cloaked in mystery and majesty. Ancient Egypt, a land of pharaohs and gods, where every grain of sand holds a story waiting to be unearthed. Among the rulers, one figure stands resolute: Pharaoh Akhenaten, a visionary who dared to challenge the gods themselves, introducing the worship of Aten, the sun disk. But his radical reforms ignited a clash with powerful priesthoods who thrived under the old god's shadow. As the winds of change blew, the stakes rose higher. The kingdom faced internal strife. Loyalists to the old ways plotted in the shadows, their whispers promising to reclaim the divine order. War loomed on the horizon, threatening to consume the very fabric of their civilization. Betrayal struck as allies turned foes, and the fragile peace shattered. A battle broke out in the streets of Thebes, where the cries of the innocent echoed through the temples, drowning the chants of both old and new beliefs. The heart of Egypt trembled. Yet from the ashes of conflict, a lesson emerged. Civilizations are built not just on power, but on the unity of their people. As the dust settled, Egypt learned that its true strength lay in the harmony of its diverse beliefs. In the end, Pharaoh Akhenaten's vision faded, yet his legacy sparked a dialogue that would echo through the ages. Ancient Egypt, forever marked by its struggles, continued to stand tall, a testament to resilience and the enduring quest for identity.